What's up, everybody? It's Charles Black, Draco Aerial. So I just got off the phone with the FAA. I had applied for a special emergency operations to fly in this weather today. And unfortunately, because of the visibility being so limited, FAA said no. I tried. I was going to do some footage for a local media company. Submitted all the paperwork to the FAA for a waiver, and they said no. Not a big deal. Flights get canceled all the time, but because of the visibility, drones fly under visual flight rules. This is definitely instrument flight rules, and if I had the new system I'm looking at buying for the ground station so I can track man aircraft, he would have approved it, but being that he can't, well, being that I can't, said no drones today. So right now I just checked the weather and it was listing 2 miles of visibility. I need 3 to fly, but I'm going to tell you honestly, it's probably less than a mile of visibility right now. So no legal drone operations are going to be conducted anytime soon here in Kingman. Soon as it's cleared enough to fly, believe me, we're going to have the drones up. We've flown in rain, we've flown in 50-mile-an-hour winds. I have no problem flying in the snow. All right, soon as I can get some drone footage up, I'll have it out to everybody. Till then, we're going to go play in the snow and have some fun. I'm out of here.